let's get right into it. Would you hand over your life savings to a robot? It sounds like sci-fi, but in 2025, millions already do. The idea of an algorithm managing your wealth can feel unsettling. We're used to people handling our money, not machines. But technology is everywhere, including your finances. You already trust algorithms for directions, movie picks, even dating, so why does money feel different? Because mistakes here can cost you years, not just an evening. Before you decide, let's break down what you're really choosing: an AI-powered robo-advisor or a traditional human advisor. Both can grow your wealth or cost you. The financial world is splitting tech-driven, low-cost platforms for the digital generation versus established human advisors offering personal guidance and expertise. The choice affects your fees, returns, and future security. So let's cut through the jargon and see what each option really offers. I'll even show you what happens when you put $10,000 into both for a year. By the end, you'll know exactly which path fits your goals. Let's begin. First up, robo-advisors, the digital platforms that use algorithms to manage your investments. You answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the algorithm builds a diversified portfolio, usually with low-cost ETFs. Big names include Wealthfront, Betterment, and Vanguard Digital Advisor. The main draw: automation. Set it up once, and it handles rebalancing and reinvesting for you. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is perfect for those who want to invest without the hassle. Robo-advisors remove human emotion from investing, no panic selling or chasing bubbles. They stick to your long-term plan, which can save you from costly mistakes. And the cost? Incredibly low. Most charge around 0.25% per year. On $10,000, that's just $25 a year for a fully managed, optimized portfolio. More of your money stays invested, compounding over time. For beginners, that's hard to beat. Simple, cheap, and disciplined robo-advisors make investing accessible to everyone. That's why they're booming. Now let's talk about human financial advisors. Before apps, this was the only way to get professional advice. Human advisors offer what robots can't: real relationships and deep expertise. When your finances get complicated, businesses, inheritances, tax strategies, a human advisor can create a holistic plan. They're your financial quarterback, coordinating every aspect of your money. During market crashes, they provide emotional coaching, helping you avoid panic and stick to your plan. This support can be invaluable, but it comes at a price: about 1% of your assets per year. For complex needs or peace of mind, many find the extra cost worth it. Let's see how robo-advisors and human advisors stack up with real numbers. Imagine investing $10,000 with each on July 9, 2024, aiming for a moderately aggressive portfolio. The market returns 10% before fees. With a robo-advisor, your $10,000 grows to $11,000. After a 0.25% fee, about $26, you end up with $10,974, a 9.74% net return. With a human advisor, the same $10,000 grows to $11,000. After a 1% fee, about $105, you're left with $10,895, an 8.95% net return. The robo-advisor wins by $79 in just 1 year. That may not sound huge, but over decades, the lower fees compound, potentially saving you tens of thousands. The takeaway? Robo-advisors' low costs give you a mathematical edge from day one. But remember, numbers aren't everything. Service and complexity matter too. The right choice depends on your needs, not just your returns. Still, the fee gap is hard to ignore. Over time, it adds up. That's the power of compounding in action. Let's break down robo-advisors versus human advisors side by side. Cost: robo-advisors charge 0.25% per year. Human advisors, usually 1% or more. Lower fees mean higher net returns over time. Accessibility: robo-advisors have low or no minimums. You can start with $1. Human advisors often require $250,000 or more to get started. Service: robo-advisors offer efficient, standardized investing. Human advisors provide personalized, holistic planning, taxes, estate, insurance, and more. Emotional support: robo-advisors are logical and unemotional, keeping you disciplined. Human advisors coach you through tough times, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Who wins? It depends. If your finances are simple and you want low fees, robo-advisors are tough to beat. If your life is complex or you value personal guidance, a human advisor is worth considering. The choice is about your needs, not just the numbers. Both have strengths. Pick the one that fits your situation. And remember, you can always switch as your needs change. Investing isn't one size fits all. The best tool is the one that works for you. Choose wisely. So, how do you decide which path is right for you? Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. How complex is your financial life? If it's simple, a robo-advisor is likely perfect. If you're juggling businesses, inheritances, or tax strategies, a human advisor may be better. 2. How hands-on do you want to be? Prefer automation? Go robo. Want a personal relationship and expert guidance? Choose human. 3. How much can you invest right now? Robo-advisors are built for small accounts. Human advisors usually require $250,000 or more. There's no right or wrong, just what fits your goals and situation. Be honest about your needs and comfort level. Your answers will point you to the best solution for building wealth. The key is matching your choice to your life, not someone else's. What if you want the best of both worlds? Good news, you can. Start with a robo-advisor when your assets are small and your finances are simple. Low fees help you build wealth faster. As your net worth grows and life gets more complex, supplement with targeted advice from a fee-only planner. When you reach your investment $500K plus and need advanced planning, consider switching to a dedicated human advisor. This hybrid approach lets you optimize for cost and expertise at every stage. Use the right tool for the job as your needs evolve. You don't have to pick one forever. So, which team are you on right now? Subscribe to Wealth FinHub for smart money tips that help you save, invest, and grow your wealth every week.